Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to be talking about the final beta version of iOS 17, which Apple has just released ahead of the launch of the iPhone 15. In this video, I will be explaining each feature in brief, so be with me on this video till end. iOS 17 is a major update to Apple's mobile operating system, and it brings a number of new features and improvements. Some of the highlights include a new lock screen with widgets and live notifications, an updated Messages app with new features for group chats and Memoji, a new Maps app with augmented reality features, a new Photos app with improved editing tools, a new Health app with new features for tracking your fitness and health. And that's just a few of the new features in iOS 17. If you are an iPhone user, I highly recommend checking out the beta and giving it a try. The new lock screen. One of the biggest changes in iOS 17 is the new lock screen. The lock screen has been completely redesigned, and it now features widgets and live notifications. Widgets are small apps that can be placed on the lock screen. They give you quick access to information like the weather, your calendar, and your stock portfolio. Live notifications are notifications that show you information about the app that sent the notification. For example, if you get a new text message, the live notification will show you who the message is from and a preview of the message. The new lock screen is a major improvement over the old one. It's more customizable and it gives you more information at a glance. The Messages app. The Messages app has also been updated in iOS 17. The biggest new feature is the ability to create group chats with up to 50 people. Group chats are a great way to stay in touch with friends and family. You can share photos, videos, and documents, and you can even play games together. The Messages app also has new features for Memoji. Memoji are personalized emoji that you can create to look like yourself. In iOS 17, you can now add new headwear, accessories, and expressions to your Memoji. The Maps app. The Maps app has also been updated in iOS 17. The biggest new feature is augmented reality, AR, walking directions. AR walking directions use your iPhone's camera to overlay directions onto the real world. This makes it easier to follow directions, especially in unfamiliar areas. The Maps app also has new features for public transportation directions. You can now see real-time information about the arrival times of buses and trains. The Photos app. The Photos app has also been updated in iOS 17. The biggest new feature is the ability to edit live photos. Live photos are photos that capture a few seconds of video before and after the photo is taken. In iOS 17, you can now edit the video portion of live photos. You can trim the video, add filters, and change the speed. The Photos app also has new features for organizing your photos. You can now create custom albums and you can use tags to find photos more easily. The Health app. The Health app has also been updated in iOS 17. The biggest new feature is the ability to track your fitness and health data from other apps. For example, if you use a fitness tracker, you can now sync your data with the Health app. This will give you a more complete picture of your fitness and health. The Health app also has new features for tracking your sleep and your menstrual cycle. These are just a few of the new features in iOS 17. If you are an iPhone user, I highly recommend checking out the beta and giving it a try. iOS 17 is a major update that brings a number of new features and improvements. It's the best version of iOS yet, and it's sure to make your iPhone experience even better. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.